So this is how you do it. Anyone out there wants to know how to...
From a professional electrician here, what is it you're doing?
Just kind of how I envision people wire stuff up.
Great, good. So what
I have
did you
no
say?
clue what I'm doing, but...
You've decided that blue and grey go together and black and white? No?
Black and grey.
Oh.
Listen, you would have caused a big fire here if
Okay,
it was up to you,
so
not knowing which one's
black
which.
and grey
Right,
and blue
any
and
electricians out there, what do you think of that for a connection? Safe? Heather?
white. I know that you don't know what you're doing.
But yeah, I'm just giving it a go myself. So we'll see how it goes.
To be continued.
So this is just the same except a different style.
A different style.
Yes, I'm now fully qualified.
That's good. So what's this called again?
Cables.
But basically the question is, do you know the next steps?
Just need to do list a lot of different things. And then hopefully we'll be a step closer.
Just a lot of cables. This is really not my specialty area.
That might, you know, that would go into there, but we're going to then link that with that one so you can then get
More pieces in. After fighting with all this cabling and extensions and adding bits on here and there, I think we've finally wired it properly. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it looks good. I'm very impressed. I mean, when I say it looks good,
That'll all be
it
hidden away.
looks like, it looks electrical. After Ryan doing all that cabling, I got the all-important job of sticking on, well, deciding what we wanted to call. We've only got the fan and the lights wired up so far, but I had the job of choosing which stickers to put on and sticking them on, and I stuck them on in the wrong place. So we just had to pick them off and put them on. So this is it in the right place, because we thought it'd be quite good to have the lights by the door so that we can just turn them on as soon as we open the door, and the fan closest to the bed so that we can be super lazy and reach over and flick the switch, even though it also has a remote control, so we're already at prime laziness, aren't we?
Yep, and look how lovely and neat it looks there now.
Ah.
And then have a wee look around the back.
Yeah.
Not so neat, but we'll try and get that all boxed in.
We'll get there, yeah. I feel like that's been a good first step, especially knowing nothing about electrics.
It's probably a good thing I did the wiring, considering
Yeah, I had one job.
2 stickers. Right,
Yeah.
which one's positive and which one's negative?
Blue's positive.
Let's double check that.
Okay. It might be an anticlimax because I might actually have to press the on button on this, but we'll see. Woo! Look at this!
What is it?
The lights have come on, so should I press one of them?
Aye!
Okay.
Oh,
Wait, it says 13.1. Is that too much or is that okay?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
What's that?
Right, that was the lights. But then I might need to do... Oh.
No, they're not plugged in.
Oh, right. Take 2.
Sorry.
Right, ready for lunch?
Okay, this time.
Ready?
Okay. Okay.
Battery's working, you know that.
Oh no, wait. I think that might have been turning it off. I think they're all on. Maybe we should take it off. The boss is coming. Yeah, abort, abort.
Just rewired it. We had one of them wrong, but to be fair, it wasn't our fault.
Yes, well, what happened was both the wires were black and Ryan looked it up online because we were like, how do we know which one's positive or negative? And the internet said fake news. So Ian just came over and checked, and it seems that they just need to be the opposite way around. We did a quick tester and it all seems good, so we're just putting them more formally in place. Time to show you something that is exciting. Our fan finally in motion. Seems like ha 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 forever ago. The remote's upstairs, so for now I'll have to just do a quick. Look at that. Perfecto. So at least one thing's working. And soon the lights will too, won't they?
Yes.
So now we're trying to fit the split relay so that the leisure battery is powered when we're driving, but it doesn't suck away from the actual engine itself. So this is a lovely leisure battery that we were very, very kindly gifted. So Ryan's just up front just now.
So there's going to be a cable. Let me just get a spanner and tighten them up. And then that will close over to keep it all, but we'll leave it like that for now.
Yep.
This piece is going to connect to the positive. That will run through, that's going through here. Follow me. Like we saw the other day, well, you didn't see us do it because it was too much hassle. but
as you saw
here,
the other day.
through this wee mechanism. Along here. To here.
To here.
So before it gets too dark, we're going to glue this carpet that we've cut, the same as that, to the roof, so that we can then put these straps of wood on, screw them on, and we're going to put our LED lights on, which now work. Just to finish.
Can't remember if we showed you, but it's all working now.
Well,
that Ryan
dark,
switched
so
the
it'll look even better
when
we
they're
do
in
the grand
place.
reveal. So we've just got the glue and got all the carpet on. We've not made too many mistakes, so it looks
Don't look
nice
up
just
here.
now. Can't really see it too well right now, but in a few minutes when we've got these bits of wood on, which are going to have the lights on them, you'll be able to see everything.
Hopefully, if they still work.
Fingers crossed.
I think it's okay. We're just gonna do.
Not too far.
Okay, so then we're gonna stick the lights, which are just these
One strip.
very light strips, to each of the panels that we've just popped up.
Then we'll just try and keep it roughly in the middle.
Keep it, yeah.
Ah, stuck my finger to it. Just double it up there. And there we have it. Should we test it out?
Yes.
The moment, wait, let me turn this. Don't want any outside light on. Okay.
Oh, do you want this off up here? No, this.
Oh yeah, get that one off. Thank you. The moment of truth. Whoa! And do you know how I'm positive? Blue is positive. That's how. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Oh no.
What? Oh.
Oh no. Well, let's just look at this area.
Ah.
Let's get change of colour. I'm not keen on
I've not
this
got the
orange.
remote.
Oh,
It's in that box.
it is. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's some good light in there. And they're dimmable as well, so that we can have it all different.
What do you think,
Put
Dad?
Here, you getting rid of the
Put it on party mode.
Oh.
No, real party. There we go. Looks pretty good, doesn't
And
it?
then a real test. And this is the first time we've shut this with it. Oh no, we did that.
Oh, to check the blackout.
Check the blackout.
Check the blackouts. Oh my, it is blacked out.
You wouldn't even know.
It's absolutely brilliant. I'm coming back round to the front to get Heather here.